Hello, welcome back. Look at this multiplication. If you use the normal method, it takes time, but can you solve it in just few seconds? Today, we are not only learning tricks, we will understand the logic behind multiplication and then we will use shortcuts that make calculation shorter and faster. So let us start our video. So first we will understand the multiplication first. So before learning tricks, let's understand what multiplication actually means. So here I am writing 5 into 3. What does the mean of 5 into 3? So here 5 into 3 means 5 is 3 times, or else we can say 3 is 5 times. 5 is 3 times or 3 is 5 times. So how we can write? We can write 5 3 times, or else we can write 3 5 times. So in both way, if we will do addition, we will get 15. So from this we can conclude the multiplication is just here. If you will observe, we are adding the numbers continuously or repeatedly. See, 5 we are adding 3 times, we wrote here 3, so 3 times, or else 3 we are adding 5 times, right? So simply we can say multiplication is a repeated addition, right? We will use multiplication so that instead of always doing addition of bigger numbers again and again, we will use the multiplication. So now let us go a different method, that is a place value method. So basic multiplication everyone knows, so just foundation I give how to do. Now if you will go to the place value method, let us take one example, 23 into 4. So regularly how we will find, we will find 23 into 4. So 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8 and 9. So we will get 92 here. This regular method we all know, right? So now by using place value method, how we will find the values. So here let us write 2. So this is the place value of 2 is 20, right? So 20 into 4, how much we will get here? We will get 80. Next 3, so place value of 3 is 3 only. Next 3 4 the 12. Now what are the answer we got here? 20 into 4 80 plus 3 4 the 12. So how much we are getting here? 92. So here when number becomes bigger, understanding the place value helps us calculate faster. Let us take one example. Please try this question by yourself. 59 into, suppose 3 is there, right? So now how we can solve this question? Similarly, place value, first write the 5. What is the place value of 5 is 50 into 3. So 50 into 3, how much we will get? 5 3 the 15 and 108. Next, what is the place value of 9, which is 3. 9 3 is 27. Now 150 plus 27, so how much we will get here? 7 7 1, right? So 59 into 3 will get 177. Instead of doing this method, we can follow this method. Okay, now let's move to our tricks. So first one is numbers closer to 100. So how to find the number which are closer to 100? Let us take one example, like here I am writing 90 into 97. It is, so here 98 and 97 both are closer to which numbers? 98 and 97 both are closer to 100, right? So here 98 I can write it as 100 minus 2. This we have to do in our mind only. So now I am explaining, so it is taking time. Next we have 97, right? So 97, how much? 97 is, we can write it as 100 minus 3, right? Now what we have to do, let us say I am writing a step by step for better understanding. So now subtract the numbers diagonally. Understand this one, no need of steps. I am explaining step by step so that you can understand clearly. Subtract diagonally means what? See, here we have 98 into 97, right? So 98, we are getting 100 minus 2, means 100 minus 2 is 98, means 2 here. Next 97 is 100 minus 3, means here it is 3. Subtract diagonally means you subtract 98 minus 3, how much you will get? 95. Or else you can subtract like this also. 97 minus 2, how much you will get? 95. You can do any one, no issues. Either you do 98 minus 3, 95 only we will get, or else 97 minus 3, 95 only. So here we got one answer, which is 95. Now next let us move to the step 2. So here what you have to do, we have to multiply the difference. We have to multiply the difference. Multiply the difference means, see what difference we got here, 2 and 3. What are the difference? 100 minus 2, 100 minus 3. So 2 and 3. So multiply 2 and 3. So how much we will get here? 6. That's it. We got the answer. So our answer will be, so our answer is 98 into 97 equals to, here how much we got? Here we got 95, and here how much? 6. So here we have the numbers, here we have numbers 2 digit. So this 6 we have to write it as 06. So here how much we will get? 06. So this is our answer. So how quickly we can solve this one? Okay, let us take one example. If you got it, please try this. 96 into 94. Let us solve it quickly this time. So 96, 100 minus 4. 94, 100 minus 6. Next what you have to do? Diagonally subtract. Any one we can do, no need of doing both. 96 minus 6 we will get here 90. If you will do this also, you will get 90. Any one is enough, no need of doing both. Okay, so we got one answer is 90. Now what is the difference? 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24. That's it, our answer. Isn't it easy? So whenever the numbers are closer to 100, this trick saves a lot of time to solve the multiplication. So next let us move to the another trick, which is multiplication by 999 or 999 or 9999. So like this question, if you will get any multiplication question with the product of 999 or 999, how to solve it quickly? So here let us take one question, 456 into 99. So now here 99 we can write it as 456 into 100 minus 1, right? So now how much you will get? 456 into 100, so 2 zeros, minus 456. So if we will subtract this, how much we will get? 4 5 1 4 4. So like this we can solve it very quickly. Let us take one more example, 78 into 999. So similarly 78 into, now this we can write it as 1000 minus 1. So now this is 78, how many zeros? 3 zeros, means 3 zeros here, minus 78. So if you will subtract this one, how much you will get? 77922. Means instead of doing this one multiplication again with this multiplication, again with this multiplication, then addition, simply we can use 99 means 100 minus 1, multiply, then this one multiply, 456, subtraction. We can solve it very fast. Okay, Now let us move to the most exciting trick of the day, which is multiplication by 11. So here any number, suppose we are multiplying with 11. So how to do in a fast way? So here first let us apply the trick whichever we learned here. So first normal method you can do it, and one more is which one we learned, 50 into 11, which is the place value, right? This is the place value one, 550. Next 3 is how much? 3 into 11, 33. So how much we will get here? 385. So we got 583. This is the first method which we use, place value. So now this one how to find very quickly, more easily. So here we have 53 into 11. So write this one 5 dash 3. Okay, when dash means here some number will come. So now in the 53 what are the numbers we have? One is 5 and one is 3. Add both numbers, how much we will get? 8. This 8 only, write it here. That's it. So this is our answer. Okay, so I am giving one question, 72 into 11. Okay, you can do place value method, you can do regular method, or else let us follow this one. So one is 72 into 11, right? So we can write it as 7 2 here dash. So what are the numbers we have in the 72? 7 and 2. Add 7 plus 2, how much? 9. This 9, write it here. That's it, we got our answer. So the answer is 792. So now let us move to our last trick, that is double and half method. So sometimes we can make multiplication easier by doubling one number and halving the other number. Like example, if I will take 25 into 48. So here any one number you can make it double, and any one number you can make it half. Suppose I am making 25 double. So 25 to the how much? 50. So if you are making one number double, other number you need to make it half. So 48 half, how much we will get? 24, right? So we got here 50 and 24. So this 50 and 24 we just need to multiply. So how much we will get? 24 5 is 120 and 1 0 here. That's it. This is our answer, right? We got it. So for more clear understanding, let us take one more question. You can take any number, 12 into, suppose I am taking 36. Always try to make the smaller number double and try to make the bigger number half. So let us take, I am taking 12 double, how much you will get? 24. Next 36 I am making half, so I will get 18. So now 24 into 18 is here, right, for us. So what you can do, 18 for the 72 and 7 will be carry. 18 to the 36, 36 and 4, 44, 32. That's it. So maximum in 5 seconds we can solve like this question very easily. So now it's time for the challenge. I'll be giving you few questions. Please try to solve without normal multiplication. The question is 97